Hello? Yeah! Yo! Yeah! Yo! I know you guys are good cooks, but I braised some meatballs and pasta from Rayo's. So it's so far, and I walked the whole way. So really, I walked 115 blocks. Yeah. Who's the cook here?
We all help out.
Everyone just pointed at you. You're very humble. Yeah, we all help out. I used to live down the street, and this is in Hell's Kitchen right here. This is Engine 54. I used to walk by on Sunday afternoons after a long night out at Saturday Night Live. I used to come by, and all the guys we'd talk back and forth about the show, and like, hey, when are you gonna get funny, and stuff like that. And we joke, and then like, oh, that one joke was all right, Anyways, I just always appreciated you guys so much. And do you mind showing me the writing list?
Yeah, the writing list, sure, no problem. Go ahead, after you.
So the writing list basically entails who has which position on each apparatus.
And these two were preserved from 9/11, and as you can see, it still says 9/10. They didn't get to erase the 9/10 and change it to 9/11, but the notes, we always write notes on the side, so there was some condition going down. And these are the gentlemen that were in 4 truck, and these were the gentlemen who were in Engine 54, and that was their positions for that day.
It was a hard hit for the whole house. The entire tour, the engine truck battalion.
Yeah. Between us and the battalion, everybody didn't come home that day.
Nobody made it back after that tour. So we keep it up here as a reminder to ourselves and try to immortalize it. So that every day, we never forget what happened, forget the guys who came before us.
It's amazing what you guys do. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate
Jeremy,
this.
appreciate you.
I think about you guys all the time.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Thank
Keep
you.
making us laugh.
Thanks, pal.
Thank you, man.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and on and on.